Can you paint a mobile home bathtub? Wondering if you can paint your mobile home bathtub? Wonder no more. In this blog post, we're going to show you how to do it yourself, step by step. Painting a bathtub is a great way to give your bathroom a fresh new look on a budget. So whether you're wanting to update your current bathtub or want to know how to paint one in a used mobile home, this blog post has everything you need to know. Keep reading for detailed instructions. Can you paint a mobile home bathtub? Yes, you can paint a mobile home bathtub. However, it is important to use high-quality paint specifically designed for bathroom fixtures and to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. In most cases, it is best to use a primer before applying the paint. Tips on painting plastic tubs. Renovating your bathroom on a budget doesn't have to be difficult. With a little elbow grease and some creativity, you can achieve a whole new look without breaking the bank. One way to do this is by painting your mobile plastic tub. This project is relatively simple and can be completed in just a few hours. Here's what you need to know to get started. First, make sure that your plastic bathtub is clean and free of any dirt or grime. Any residual soap or shampoo residue will prevent the paint from properly bonding to the surface. Use a mild cleaner and a soft cloth to wipe down the tub, taking care not to damage the plastic surface. Once the tub is clean, begin sanding it with medium grit sandpaper. This will create a rough surface for the paint to adhere to. If you're working with a textured tub, you may need to use a power sander to smooth it out. Once the tub is sanded, wipe it down with a damp cloth to remove any dust particles. Next, tape off any areas that you don't want to be painted, such as the drain hole or faucet fixtures. Then, using a roller or paintbrush, apply an even coat of primer to the entire surface of the tub. Allow the primer to dry fully before proceeding with the painting. For best results, use a semi-gloss or high-gloss paint designed for use on plastic surfaces. Apply 2 or 3 coats of paint, letting each one dry thoroughly before adding another. Once the final coat is dry, remove the painter's tape and enjoy your new-look bathtub. How to fix yellow bathtubs in mobile homes. If you own a mobile home, chances are you've seen your share of yellow bathtubs. While this may be the result of hard water, it's more likely that the culprit is iron deposits. These can build up over time, causing the porcelain to become stained and discolored. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps you can take to remove these unsightly stains and restore your tub to its original beauty. One of the easiest and most effective ways to remove iron stains is to use a citric acid-based cleaner. These products are readily available at most hardware stores, and they're relatively inexpensive. Simply mix the cleaner according to the manufacturer's instructions and apply it to the stained area with a clean cloth. Allow it to sit for several minutes. Then scrub the area with a soft brush or sponge. Rinse away the cleaner with clean water and dry the area with a soft towel. If you don't have access to a citric acid-based cleaner, you can also try using white vinegar. Again, mix a solution of 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water and apply it to the stained area. Allow it to sit for several minutes before scrubbing with a soft brush or sponge. Rinse away the vinegar solution with clean water and dry the area thoroughly. Once you've removed the iron stains from your bathtub, you can help prevent them from coming back by regularly cleaning the tub with a non-abrasive cleaner. Be sure to rinse away all traces of cleaner after each use so that new stains don't have a chance to set in. With just a little effort, you can keep your mobile home's bathtub looking new for years to come. Painting a plastic bathtub can be a daunting task. There are so many questions that come along with it. What kind of paint should I use? What primer do I need? How do I get the old paint off? It's no wonder people are hesitant to take on this painting project themselves. With so much at stake, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. We're here to help. Below are some of the most frequently asked questions about painting mobile home bathtubs. By answering these questions, we hope to make the process a little less daunting for you. What kind of paint do I use to paint mobile home plastic tubs? You could use latex-based paint. However, it is important to note that the paint will not adhere well to glossy surfaces, so you may need to rough up the surface of the tub with sandpaper before you start painting. Additionally, make sure that you use a primer if the surface of the tub is particularly absorbent. What kind of paint do you use on a metal bathtub? If you're painting a metal bathtub, you should use paint that is specifically designed for metal surfaces. This type of paint will be formulated to withstand the moisture and humidity that is present in bathrooms. When selecting paint for a metal bathtub, it's important to choose a product that has good adhesion qualities. The paint should adhere well to the surface of the metal and should resist chipping and peeling. In addition, the paint should be able to withstand frequent exposure to water and humidity without fading or discoloring. Can I use acrylic paint on my tub? It is not recommended to use acrylic paint on your tub as it can be difficult to clean off and may also chip or peel away over time. In most cases, using latex-based paint is a better option for painting your tub as it is more durable and easier to clean. If you do choose to use acrylic paint on your tub, make sure to apply at least 2 coats for full coverage, and be sure to allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Can you use Rust-Oleum in a bathtub? Yes, you can use Rust-Oleum in a bathtub. However, you should always test it in an inconspicuous area to make sure that it does not cause any damage to the surface of the bathtub. Rust-Oleum is a brand of paint that is designed to protect metal surfaces from rust and corrosion. It comes in both spray paint and liquid paint form, and it is available at most hardware stores. The main downside of using Rust-Oleum in a bathtub is that it can be quite toxic. So if you are going to use it, make sure to open all the windows in the room and ventilate the space properly. Also, avoid getting it on your skin and make sure to wear gloves while applying it. How long does a painted bathtub last? On average, a painted bathtub will last for around 10 years before it starts to show signs of wear and tear. High-quality paints and proper care can extend the life of a painted bathtub significantly. Bathtubs that are not properly cared for and have low-quality paint are more likely to need repainting sooner. If you take good care of your bathtub, it can look like new for many years. Can I paint my mobile home bathtubs myself? Mobile home bathtubs can be painted, but it is important to understand the material they are made of before starting. Mobile home bathtubs are typically made of fiberglass or plastic, both of which require different painting techniques and primers. If your tub is made of fiberglass, you will need to sand it down and apply a special type of primer before painting it. Plastic tubs can be painted without sanding or using a primer, but you may want to consider using paint designed specifically for plastic surfaces. Talk to a professional at your local hardware store before beginning any project to ensure you have the proper supplies and know how to safely complete the job. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about painting a mobile home bathtub. Be sure to take all of these tips into account when prepping and painting your tub. If you follow these instructions, your paint job should end up with a beautiful and long-lasting finish. Thanks for watching.